Megan Cave with PBIS Apps. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your student or staff lists within Swiss, and I'll show you one of the best uses for this feature too. Let's get going. To get to the Person Export feature, we'll head up to Tools and click Person Import. On this screen, there are 4 buttons, 2 for importing and 2 for exporting. Let's choose to export our student list, so I'll click Export Student List. This window that pops up is just asking you which students to include in your export, students who are marked as active, inactive, or archived. I'm going to uncheck inactive and archived, so we only export our active students. Then click the Export button. My spreadsheet downloads, and that's it. Let me show you what it looks like. These are all of our active students. The header at the top of the spreadsheet tells you which data are associated with each record. Their district ID, their first name, their last name, and so on. If you're curious about what any of the numbers in these columns mean, there's a whole list of lookup values available in the Person Import Manual. So check that out if you have questions. Now, there is one way that Person Export is going to make your life so much more efficient, and that's when you need to make a lot of changes to individual records. Let me show you how. This spreadsheet right here only includes our active students. Well, let's say that several of these students have now graduated or moved away from the school. All I need to do is find the students who are going to be graduating and update their status in this file to archived as my first step. So let's say Megan is graduating. I'll slide over until I get to her status column. There's a 1 here. That means she's active. I'll change this to a 3, which is archived. And then I'd keep going, making this same change to all the graduating students in our school until I'm finished. Be sure to save those changes at the end. Now we have a fully formatted file ready to go that's going to magically archive all of our graduating seniors for us. We'll head back to Person Import and choose Import Student List. I'm going to move a little quickly through the import process here. If you need a slower step-by-step tutorial, check out our Person Import video on our website. Okay, I just imported that file. I'll head over to Person Management to check out the changes that we made to our student roster. The student roster opens by default with active students displayed. I want to check on our archived students, so I'll uncheck active from the list of filters and then check archived. And there she is! Megan Cave is archived. Obviously, this process was overkill for updating just 1 student. But imagine you have more than 100 seniors who graduated, or maybe every staff member got a new email address over the summer when the district updated its system. Using Person Export to get you your file, and then Person Import to make the changes all at once sure does make everything so much more efficient. Give it a try.